Seven Wonders of the World. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is known the world over for its beautiful architecture, history, and the tale of love that led to its creation. Located in the Indian city of Agra, the Taj Mahal was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a testament of his love for his departed wife Mumtaz Mahal. Apart from housing her tomb, it also contains the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. The mausoleum, built with an ivory white marble and precious stones, was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. To this day, it attracts 7 to 8 million visitors a year. Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre. The Colosseum is an oval shaped amphitheatre located in the center of Rome in Italy. Built with concrete and sand, its construction began under Emperor Vespasian in AD 72 and it was completed by his successor, Titus, in AD 80. It is the largest amphitheatre in the world and had the capacity to host about 80,000 spectators. In ancient times, it was used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles such as mock sea battles. Its other activities included animal hunts, female battle, reenactments, executions, and mythological dramas. Today, it is a popular tourist attraction and an iconic symbol of Imperial Rome. Machu Picchu, located in the eastern cordillera of southern Peru on a 7,970 feet mountain range, Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel. It is the most familiar icon of Inca civilization and is often mistaken for the lost city of the Incas. Most archaeologists believe that it was constructed as an estate for the Inca emperor Pachacuti around the year 1450 and then abandoned a century later at the time of the Spanish conquest. The Spanish had no idea about its existence and it was only brought to international attention in 1911 by American history Hiram Bingham. Built with polished dry stone walls, Machu Picchu was declared a Peruvian Historic Sanctuary in 1981 and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Christ the Redeemer, a very well known work of art in Brazil. Christ the Redeemer is an Art Deco statue of Jesus Christ. It was created by French sculptor Paul Landowski and built by Brazilian engineer Hector da Silva Costa in collaboration with French engineer Albert Carquart. Romanian sculptor George Leonida fashioned the face, made of reinforced concrete and soapstones. It weighs 635 metric tons and is located at the peak of the 700-meter Corcovado mountain in the Tijuca Forest National Park overlooking the city of Rio de Janeiro. Construction began in 1922 and it was completed in 1931. Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is an archaeological site located in Tineo municipality of Yucatan state in Mexico. It was a large pre-Columbian city built by the Maya people and was likely to have been one of the mythical great cities. It is one of the most visited archaeological sites in Mexico and consists of buildings like El Caracol or Observatory of Chichen Itza, Temple of the Warriors, Grand Ball Court, Venus Platform, and others. It was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988. Petra, originally known to its inhabitants as Rakhmu. Petra is a historical and archaeological city in southern Jordan. It is believed that the area around Petra was inhabited as early as 7000 BC and the access to the city is through a 1.2 kilometer long gorge called the Sig, which leads directly to the Khazne. It had remained unknown to the world until Johann Ludwig Burckhardt rediscovered it in 1812. Petra is also called as Rose City due to the color of the stone from which it is carved. Its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system continue to attract a huge number of tourists, and it had been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1985. Great Wall of China. As the name suggests, it is located in China, and the Great Wall is the collective name given to a series of fortification systems built across the borders of the country. The purpose of the Great Wall was to protect as well as mark the territories of the Chinese state and empires. Several of the walls were found to have been built as early as the 7th century BC, but the most well known sections were built by the Ming dynasty. An archaeological survey found that the entire wall, with all of its branches, measures out to be 21,196 kilometers. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987 and attracts many visitors every year. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.